Using the Karnaugh map for the least number of gates, we're asked what would our final equation be? So looking at our Karnaugh map, we're going to have to make a Boolean equation for this, and we're going to use the least amount of gates. When we're looking at gates, note that we have to use 2 to the nth power. So whenever we combine things, we can combine 2 things, 4 things, 8 things, just not like 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 things. It has to be 2 to n power. Well, if we look at what we're given, we have 4 things in here, but we can combine them with these 4 as well. Remember, these x's mean that we do not care, so they can be whatever we want. So in our part right here, we're going to make it a 1 here, and a 1 here, whereas these are just going to be zeros, and we don't care about them. We don't need them. So looking at the part in red, we have 8 things all together, so now we can combine them. If we look at the rows, we can see that we can't use the rows. We can't use A and B because they're all in separate rows. So we can't use this. Looking at the columns now, we can't use C because they're in separate C rows. We have 0 here and then 1 here, so it's in C, naught, and also C. But we can use D because they're both zeros right here. So that means this Karnaugh map is going to be a D naught, and our answer is going to be C. And so that's how you look at this Karnaugh map using the least number of gates.